Great day everyone, this is MeowSW EduChannel. I'm going to showcase a life-size example to demonstrate how to use Excel Power Query function to list out all data combinations that absolutely involves no repetitive, tedious, or manual typing. Imagine you need to transform 5 plasmids, namely plasmid A to E, into bacterial hosts separately. You will generate 5 agar plates from each plasmid, and 3 colonies are to be picked randomly for sequencing, generating A-1, A-2, A-3, and so on. And after that, you need to do triplicate reaction for each colony that you have picked previously in order to observe phenotype, generating A-1 small letter A, A-1 small letter B, and so on. And without the help of Excel function, you need to type 45 times manually in order to get all the possible combinations out. So here comes the question. How do we solve this tedious problem in Excel? I have pasted a picture in this Excel worksheet to serve as a reminder to all of us. I have also prepared 2 tabs in this worksheet. First, you need to input raw data such as plasmid, colony number, and triplicate. And do you remember we need a dash symbol before plasmid A to E? I'm going to show you a little trick on how to do it with a quicker way. Let me paste these data somewhere else to avoid confusion. Put a dash symbol beside it and press enter. On its right, type an equal sign. Select this cell, type symbol and sign, followed by selecting the cell with dash symbol. Remember to lock the dash symbol cell by either manually typing or use shortcut key F4 or function F4, depends on your initial Excel setting. So a gentle reminder, if you are to lock the cell by typing, remember do not put the $sign wrongly. After that, press enter, and your current cursor is showing thick white arrow. But when you mouse over to the bottom right corner of the selected cell, it will become thin black arrow. Double click it, you should see it autofill up the data. After that, copy, and then go to this cell. Remember, right click, copy and paste as absolute value, shown as an icon with number 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. And here we go, all the alphabet with dash symbols. After that, you can just delete all of this. Now is the time for real problem. First, we need to create and rename table for each category. After that, under Data tab, you have to select the table, click on this. It will pop up another window. Follow through the video. First, go to Add Column, Custom Column. An additional window will pop up called Custom Column, which is not shown in the video. Under New Column name it Join. Join. It can be any other name that you want. And under Custom Column Formula, type 1, single digit 1, and click OK. which will show you to import the data. Remember to select Only Create Connection. Only Create Connection and click OK. You should able to see this thing pop up on your right panel with plasmid table. And then do exactly the same for the rest. So select this table, go to Data, from table/range, click it. Same thing, go to Add Column, Custom Column, type exactly the same thing as just now, click OK, and then go to Home, close and load to. It should pop up another window. Choose Only Create Connection and press OK. Now you should see two queries on the right panel. One is plasmid, one is colony number from each of these tables. And now do the same for triplicates, and they will not be shown in the video. Now we have 3 of this table's data on this right panel with 3 queries. What are we going to do? Click on this, the first one, plasmid. Right click, edit. Right click, edit. This window will be pop up. Same thing, go to Add Column, Custom Column, and it will pop up another window. This new pop-up window called Custom Column. Key in your new column name by typing any title that you prefer. In this case, I type Merged Colony Number. Whereas under Custom Column Formula, type your table name. It should auto-prompt you with some information. And click either of this and click OK. After that, a new column should pop up with words table. Fill out the content. And don't forget, we still need to merge triplicates data. And then just click Custom Column without clicking Close and Load to under Home tab. Okay, do not click that. Same window will pop up and key in new information that's shown in this picture. Click OK once everything is done. After clicking OK, you should see these 2 merge columns with word table spamming across the column. And click the expand sign on the right of the merge header. Uncheck Join and uncheck Use Original Column Name as Prefix. Click OK, and then it will show you all. So I'm going to do the same for the merge triplicate header as well. Click on the expand sign. It will pop up this. Uncheck Join and uncheck Use Original Column Name as Prefix. Click OK. You should now see full list of the data. Go to the top left corner over here. Click it and choose Copy Entire Table. Go to Home, close and load. You should come back to this tab. Now move to Paste Table Here tab and paste whatever you have copied just now. It should be here. Put an equal sign and colony number and triplicates. Same thing, double click on bottom right corner. You should get all of it. Copy it, move to this part, paste as absolute value. Thank you.